afternoon with Be Clean Professionals. And we're in another Chambersburg. As you can see, we got some stains here on the floor. We're in another Dollar Tree. So you know the routine. We inspect the floors, see what we're getting ourselves into. Well, this little cleanup here. The store's a little smaller than normal. You see we got our scraper out. We're out here scraping, getting all the stickers up, gum, the hard things. There goes one right here, sticker. Get all these stickers up. Some gum. So we're going to be doing this process on the whole entire store. Gotta get the big duster out.
I got Spider-Man.
There we go. Just got some stuff here we want to pick up.
Spider-Man.
All right, stay tuned. Spotty area here again. Spotted area, it's going. There's some more spots up here. All the spots are now full. Let's continue. We're doing the bathrooms and you got the mop bucket out. We're going to do the floors next. You see he's cleaning the toilet. We got the sink, we got the mirror, and that's pretty much that there. All right, stay tuned. Just got a mop. We got the equipment all in the trailer. We are here at the Dollar Tree in Chambersburg. Thank you.
You're welcome.
We just got done vacuuming the front area here. This walkway looks great. Had a bunch of leaves on it. We got all of the markings up off the floor. These floors weren't that bad. Got the bathrooms done. The food area. Normally the food area is a real problem area, but I'm gonna go ahead and check it with you just to show you how well we got it up here. These right here are permanent stains there. And here's the food area. All right. Turned out great. All right, stay tuned for the next cleaning.